This is the Mixin pattern, how you give a class superpowers it never inherited. No base class, no extends. You just stir the behavior in. React banned this in 2016, yet your browser is built on it. Stay for that. JS Patterns. Episode 6. JavaScript classes get exactly one parent. 1. But the behaviors you actually reuse are orthogonal. Dirty tracking, serialization, an event emitter, and unrelated classes all want them. A document, a user, a cart item. You can't extend 3 parents, so you do the ugly thing. Copy-paste the methods into every class or invent a god object everyone inherits from. Both rot. A Mixin skips inheritance entirely. It's just a plain object of methods, a bundle of behavior, and you fold it onto a class's prototype with Object.assign. One line, and the class can do something new. No chain, no parent. Here's a dirtyTrackable trait. Mark dirty, mark clean, is dirty, plain methods on an object. Object.assign it onto document's prototype, and every document gets them, as if they'd always been there. The trait doesn't know what a document is, it just adds capability. Prove it. New document, call mark dirty, is dirty returns true, behavior it never declared. Drop the same trait onto user and cart item, and they get it too. One bundle, shared across classes with nothing in common. Capability without a family tree. The catch, Object.assign just overwrites. 2 Mixins with a mark dirty, and the second silently wins, no error. The methods never appear in the class body, so go to definition and your linter go blind. Stack them deep and the prototype stops matching the code you read. That's why React dropped Mixins in 2016 and Vue followed. The modern fix is explicit composition. Need super? Use a subclass-factory, a function that takes a base and returns a class extending it. Now Mixins stack and call up the chain. Want safety? And apply traits helper that throws on a name clash. And the platform itself runs on this. Window mixes in the WindowOrWorkerGlobalScope Mixin. That's where fetch and setTimeout come from. So Mixin behavior, don't chain up inheritance. Compose orthogonal powers, keep the tree flat. Beyond code karma. I'll see you in the next pattern.